powerful introduction, how to create that. Last time we did the literature research. And for this, it is more like making an impactful blueprint of your introduction that you will understand, writing tips for an effective introduction, learning to write the first draft, and writing the first para, middle para, and last paragraph. How you can do all of these things. So it is more about the introduction session only, that how you can start writing, how you can start the very first paragraph of it. All right. So first, blueprint, how to make the blueprint. See, whenever you are going to do a research, okay, you have to have a previous understanding of it, right? So present your topic and get the reader interested, means you give your topic, but before this, provide background and summarize existing research. What is already there and what you can provide, you have to give that. Position your own approach. What is your method? What people will understand in this? Detail your specific research problem. That what was the loopholes and how you eradicated them, and give an overview of paper's structure. So what people will see there, the content list, all of these comes under blueprint. Yeah, here you are not writing anything thoroughly, you are just deciding, okay, this is how I will write things one by one. Okay, then introduce your topic. So make sure the introduction of your topic is quite interesting, that people want to see that, want to read about it. Either it is interesting or important. This is generally accomplished with a strong opening hook. So you have seen in many advertisements, in many of the articles, there are always some starting eye-catching lines, isn't it? Start with an eye-catching line. Opening hook should be there. The hook is the striking opening sentence that clearly conveys the relevance of your topic. Why your topic is important, you have to talk about it. Now, this starting point can not only be a simple statement, it can be a question too, sometimes, where through questions you're coming to an answer that you're going to discuss. Okay. And then just 1 second. Yeah. Describe the background. Now, again, background is called empirical paper. So what people have done already, what were their position? What do you have to say about it? You have to make sure that you describe the background, from where it is coming. And describe the background. It has argumentative paper background information. Argumentative paper, you know, the persuasive one where you are giving your opinion. After you have caught your reader's attention, specify a bit more, providing context and narrowing down your topic. And in this part only, you have to talk about the previous research, that why this topic is important, what people have done previously, and now how you can help. Establish your research problem, what problem you are going to address, and then emphasize the importance, why this problem is important. Because might be nobody is looking at it. Nobody is seeing at the perspective that you have. Okay. And then again, relate to the literature. Whatever was there previously, relate with that. So you can work on these questions type. What research gap is your work intended to fill? What you are filling, what contribution of knowledge does it make? So what gap you are filling and what important points you are giving. That all should come in your blueprint. This is where you are just starting to understand your topic. Okay. Then specify your objectives. So what you are going to cover and what is your position in that, how you see that approach, that should be done now. Okay, so your thesis statement, and then research question and hypothesis. You have to decide whether this is a question that you're going to discuss in a question way or in a thesis way. Okay. So now more and less, whatever you will read, this is regarding this only, that how you present your ideas at first. Map out your paper. So the final part of the introduction is often dedicated to a brief overview of the rest of the paper, that is an abstract. And then there is an introduction also. Okay, this paper will first discuss several examples of survey-based research into adolescent social media use. Then we'll go on to say these are examples. how people start the introduction. Like that day I was showing you this one, the social media one. You see, there is a whole introduction, right? Like today, almost every internet user is familiar with these two words, irrespective of their profession, nationality, culture, race, religion, etc. And then they are giving few statements, or let's say quotes by some other people, a citation. Sorry, citation. Yeah, I really have messed up with my pronunciation for the citation and citation. Okay, so these are some of the example how you can start.